Hi, this is Raymond and welcome to Bricks Laboratory. Today I'm going to make a short video on the update of the rebuilding of our Lego City, New Heroville. So let's do it. New Heroville is going along quite nicely, the rebuilding part. So it has a new layout now. We have decided to put the taller buildings way at the back so we can have a skyscraper effect on the background. The Parisian restaurant is here and smaller buildings here. The fire station or firehouse is here, and we haven't decided yet where to place the police station after I have finished the mock. So where do you think should we place it? I think we're thinking about putting it here beside the fire station, but the front of the Palace Cinema will be blocked. So maybe the Palace Cinema will go here and the Persian restaurant will go here. They will switch places. I don't know, it's just the first thing that came to mind. So we haven't placed back the cars, so the roads are still empty. They still look quite clean. And we decided to put the beach area here and the ocean here, switching it from the previous layout where the beach and the ocean is in the other side and where the camera couldn't see much of it. But right now we can clearly see the beach, the ocean area. The beach is so busy right now. Thank you to our recent purchase of this one, People Pack, Fun at the Beach, which made our new Heroville beach so much better and full of activities. Our two big boats are still here, the Coast Guard ship and the Dolphin cruiser. Fun at the Beach gave us one more dolphin. So all in all, now we have 3 dolphins, 2 of them from the Dolphin cruiser. Okay. The mocked lighthouse is still here beside another small Ninjago mock. The surf and shack is still there. Now I'm thinking about where to put all our other jet skis because there seem to be a smaller space now. Beside the fire station, the hot dog stand is still there, and the hot dog vendor is here at the beach talking to a girl, a lady with a starfish between them. Our family sig fig is still here, and I'm so happy about how it looks. I always enjoy being on a beach and just drinking coffee like what we are doing now. If you will notice, Mommy Brick's torso has been replaced with a new one. I like it better. There's Rafa with the orange jacket playing with an RC car, and his cousin Sion with him. This is Ryah with her pet dog taking pictures of the ocean. This is the Coast Guard station with the Coast Guard truck to the right. Okay, and the Coast Guard captain here with his dog Zuma. We decided to put all our mock trees aligned in this side to give a separation between the road and the beach. I think it looks good. The city looks greener there, and the fire truck or fire engine is supposed to be there. Okay, so I like it with the greenery beside on the roadside. We placed the croissant stand just outside the door of the Palace Cinema. It's hard to see with this camera. The streets are pretty much empty with Emmet and Wildstyle here, perhaps waiting for something, for a ride. Emmet looks worried. Beside them are the First Lady of the city, the wife of the mayor, the one with the maroon or the red dress, while the wife of the vice mayor is to the left, the one who has just got married to the vice mayor. So they're a young couple. The mayor and the vice mayor are inside having a meeting in the town hall. Now here in the Parisian restaurant, there's a back road, a small road accessible only by motorcycles and pedestrians. The father and daughter owners of the Palace Cinema riding horses. A mini concert area here, where 3 young men formed a band. I'm just reminded of my former band back in high school, Ang Tribo, and it was my inspiration to build this area, this place. And beside that is our McDonald's stand or fast food joint. Father and son walking, and a small ice cream cart here at the entrance of the beach. So we also have an ice cream truck, but I haven't placed it here yet. This one is a small ice cream stand with this lady as the vendor. This is the former torso of Mommy Brick's Sig Fig, and I replaced it. So I think that's it for this short rebuilding update. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like this video. It will help us a lot. And hit that notification bell if you want more videos about Lego City. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.